finished loading, did the checklist. Everything nicely settling into the back. There you go.
Get out of our way!
The rolling house here. The land ship. So it doesn't really matter what time it is. Nice. The chef is getting the food, the fire ready for the food. Adam, do you have any secrets on how you split wood so good?
I think it's genetics. I think you're born with it.
Alright, so it's genetics, guys. So if you are not good at it,
you're hopeless. You don't have
you're hopeless. Yeah.
Sorry.
Shoot, looks like I'm screwed. Well, what we got here, guy? What are we cooking?
Pork belly. Pork belly tacos.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
What kind of seasoning did you put on there?
One your dad bought. Never had.
Nice.
Find out.
Alright, we just pulled it off the fire. I'm gonna put some foil over it really quick. And
I know you're hardcore when you bring fucking Christmas decorations.
saw that, dude. That's so cool.